Welcome to this essential guide on business finance, tailored for small business owners and aspiring entrepreneurs. Understanding your finances is not just about numbers, it's the bedrock of sustainable growth and long term success.
Effective financial management empowers you to make informed decisions, allocate resources wisely, and navigate economic challenges. It transforms uncertainty into opportunity, ensuring your venture thrives. At the heart of business finance are three core financial statements: the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. These documents provide a snapshot of your company's financial health. The balance sheet offers a static view of assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time, revealing what your business owes, and the owner's stake. The income statement, or profit and loss statement, summarizes revenues, costs, and expenses over a period, showing your business's profitability. The cash flow statement tracks the movement of cash in and out of your business, categorized into operating, investing, and financing activities. This is crucial for liquidity. Budgeting is your financial roadmap, outlining expected income and expenses. It helps control spending, allocate funds efficiently, and achieve financial goals. Forecasting extends budgeting into the future, predicting financial performance based on historical data and market trends. Accurate forecasts guide strategic decisions. Managing cash flow is paramount. Positive cash flow means more money coming in than going out, essential for covering operational costs and investing in growth. Strategies for healthy cash flow include optimizing accounts receivable and payable, managing inventory efficiently, and maintaining a cash reserve.
When seeking capital, businesses typically choose between debt financing and equity financing. Each has distinct implications for ownership and repayment.
Debt financing involves borrowing money that must be repaid with interest without giving up ownership. Common sources include bank loans, lines of credit, and government-backed programs. Equity financing involves selling a portion of your company's ownership in exchange for capital. This can come from angel investors, venture capitalists, or crowdfunding. Understanding profitability starts with gross profit, which is revenue minus the cost of goods sold. This indicates the efficiency of your production.
Net profit, after all expenses are deducted, shows the true bottom line. Analyzing both gross and net profit margins is vital for pricing and operational decisions.
Pricing strategies directly impact profitability. Consider cost-plus pricing, value-based pricing, and competitive pricing to find the optimal balance for your products or services. Every business faces financial risks, from market fluctuations to unexpected expenses. Identifying these risks early is the first step in mitigation. Risk management involves developing contingency plans, securing adequate insurance, and diversifying revenue streams to protect your business from unforeseen challenges. Financial planning for growth means strategically reinvesting profits, expanding operations, and exploring new markets. This requires careful analysis and foresight. Scaling your business effectively demands robust financial systems and the ability to manage increased capital requirements without overextending your resources. Key financial ratios provide quick insights into your business's performance. Liquidity ratios assess your ability to meet short-term obligations. Profitability ratios, like net profit margin, measure how efficiently your business generates profit from its sales. They are crucial for evaluating operational effectiveness. Solvency ratios, such as the debt-to-equity ratio, indicate your long-term financial stability and ability to meet long-term debts. A healthy ratio is key for investor confidence. Efficiency ratios, like inventory turnover, measure how well your business uses its assets and liabilities to generate revenue. High efficiency often means better profitability. Regularly analyzing these ratios helps identify trends, pinpoint areas for improvement, and benchmark your performance against industry standards. In conclusion, mastering business finance is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It requires continuous learning, diligent record keeping, and proactive decision making. By understanding your financial statements, managing cash flow, budgeting effectively, and mitigating risks, you lay a strong foundation for your business's future. Remember, financial literacy is your most powerful tool. Invest time in understanding these concepts and seek professional advice when needed. Empower yourself with financial knowledge to confidently steer your small business towards sustained success and prosperity. Thank you for joining us on this financial journey. We wish you all the best in your entrepreneurial endeavors.